The amount of time that a participant is expected to donate or volunteer to research certainly does vary by research studies. Of the studies that we're involved in, one may be just a few days of participation in which someone is sharing their clinical information and issues related to their depressive symptoms at the present time. But treatment studies that we conduct usually last 12 weeks or more. And do require a greater time commitment, but the potential benefit is a little bit more in those treatment studies also.
Studies can take anywhere from seconds, say a blood draw, through years. And so it depends on the nature of the study. Sometimes it'll be simply asking people questions or doing a quick blood draw, depending on the nature of the study. But sometimes there'll be what we call longitudinal studies, which means you follow people over time to see if some factors in them or their environment is impacting the course of their illness. Some studies that I do, there is a wide range even in my studies, so it might be a few seconds where we do blood draws to having people sleep in the lab for 4 days. And again, it depends on the nature of the question. And that's one thing that if you choose to participate, the researchers will have a very good idea of how long a research project would take and what the time commitment is. And that will be pretty similar for each person who decides to participate. So you can ask the person who's talking to you about their studies how long it's going to take, and they'll be able to let you know what the commitment is and what's involved.